Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. A few videos ago I made an illustration based upon a character design of one of my subscribers, Rydescho. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out, I will link it down below in the comment section. Well, Rydescho turns out to be an amazing character designer. He has created a ton of very cool characters, and for each of them he also creates entire background stories. He truly is very talented, and you should check out his Instagram account where he puts all of his creations. Since our last collaboration we kept in touch, and I truly am very grateful for his support and friendship, so thank you, man. And in this video I am once again redrawing one of his original characters in my own style, so let's meet our character. This is Micah Chastain, aka Flashwave. He's an electrical oceanographic engineer by day. His suit is built like an electrical conductor, and with his electrical powers he can create tidal waves. His suit can take him into space as underwater as well. Once again, an amazing character designed by my good friend Rydescho. Now let's get to work. Well, that's it for this week's video. I really want to thank Rydescho for his amazing design. You're a great artist, man, and a great friend, so thank you very much. I loved working on this character of yours. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!